And we're back for the Financial Literacy Show, episode 2. Alrighty, get your finance questions ready to go because we're going to have financial literacy episode 2 starting in just a moment or so. We're going to have Mr. Adil Mackwani call in, and it should be a fun time. So get those questions ready. You'll be on the air virtually, I guess, from Houston. So stay tuned.
2. For more information and to request a quote, please visit theglobalfinancial.com or call 469-317-9400. Your protection is their priority. She feared.
Awesome.
She crumbled.
Live
she
in
fled.
25 seconds.
She lost.
And, alright, so just...
She survived. She protected. She worked.
Alright, so
she inspired. Women are often the most affected by crises around the world, especially in the Middle East, forcing them to take on roles and responsibilities that they never imagined. Donate today at irusa.org or call 1-855-447-1001. Assalamu alaikum, namaskar, sasrikal, yali milad, and welcome to Radio Azad's Millennial Masala with your host Anil Sohani, coming to you live from the Radio Azad studios here in Irving, Texas, in the heart of the DFW. We're on 104.9 FM HD3 in the DFW, as well as 1110 AM, and not to mention the world famous 50 states, 120 countries Radio Azad app. That's right, download it if you haven't already, so you can tap the app 24/7, 365, and catch all of our shows as they happen during the days, during the weeks, and so on. And if you missed any of these shows, don't worry, you can check out Mixcloud. It's another app, it's free, and you can download all the shows, each one as a podcast, from Millennium Masala to The Gotti Guys to Coffee AM to Mind Over Music to everything our Radio Azad has to offer. So really excited to have you guys on the air with us today. And I have a very special guest, and this is his second show with Radio Azad. And this is particularly for all of you finance buffs out there, or people out there who want to learn more about finance. Definitely got to know more about my very special guest. And, he's usually in the studio because he's got clients all over Texas and stops by once in a while. And talking about none other than Mr. Adil N. Mackwani from M&A Wealth, CEO and President. What's going on, Adil?
Good morning, man. How are you doing? How are you holding up over there?
Wonderful, wonderful, wonderful. I was kind of sad to do one thing though. I was very kind of, I was being very, very selfish, I guess. I was going to go to New York tomorrow morning, and I had booked a flight a few weeks back, and I was going to visit my godmother in New Jersey, but her mother is in her 70s, and I don't want to risk it, so I said, okay, I'll just stay in New York. I won't go to Jersey. And I got my Airbnb ready to go. And then as the days and weeks have been progressing, you see what's going on out there?
Yeah, man, I have been, and I mean, it's probably safe to just stay at home or just stay in the area that you're used to.
Yeah, 100%, man. So, and I didn't want to take a risk because my significant other, she's in healthcare, and she's actually up there in the front lines of trying to make sure her cancer patients she works with are tip top in terms of quality of life. And so, if I want to see her when I get back, then like I don't want to be in quarantine from all that and have her go through this. So, figured a lot of moving pieces. So you just kind of have to weather the storm at this point. So.
Yeah, and luckily we live in a pretty modern society now where maybe 10, 15 years ago you probably couldn't video chat or that immediately or just even connect with people in a different way that now it's more personal, even though you don't have to be right in front of each other.
This is true. This is true. And this is exactly what's happening. This is the first time we're doing a show here at Radio Azad on Millennium Masala, at least, where the guest is not even in the studio. Where are you right now, by the way? Where are you calling from?
My home office, actually. I'm just calling from inside there.
Oh, you calling from Shuggy? Shuggy?
Yeah, Sugarland, man.
There you go. Yeah, we call it Sugarland. I guess not everybody calls it that, but I love calling it Shuggy.
I haven't heard that in a while.
There you go, man, for Sugarland. That's what's up, man. So I'm glad that you're safe and sound in your home, and we're able to call in today and join us for this financial literacy episode, part 2, brother. Thank you so much for your time.
Yeah, no problem, man.
For sure, for sure. And before we get started and jump into this, dive real deep into this, got to give a shout out to Jimmy's Burger and Grill. That's right. In the light of this recent pandemic, Jimmy's Burger is offering online ordering via their website. Takeout and delivery readily available. Check out jimmysbigburger.com in Plano and Irving. Phone number for the Plano location, 469-298-3611. And then the Irving location is 972-600-9309. What will it be? Burger ya biryani? Jab dil mange sab kuch to jaye Jimmy's Burger and Grill. I mentioned Radio Azad, get that Desi discount. We love giving out 10% off of takeout. And let's jump right into it, brother. So this is episode 2 of the Financial Literacy Show on Millennium Masala. And let's do some recap, if you could. Recap the whole thing that we did kind of last time. Because, well, not only that, but just so people know, if this is the first time you're listening to Adil, Adil is an MBA from the University of Texas in Austin. He is also the current president and CEO of M&A Wealth. So right now, I think it's been pretty crazy looking at the markets, man. I don't know what's going on. I'm excited, but then I'm sad. I'm sad and I'm excited. It's very up and down, and I don't know. I'm trying to make the most of his understanding, but I'd love to understand how you tackle these types of situations, because I know even for you, this is like, a crazy time as well. I'm assuming, right?
Yeah, it's definitely a busy time. Crazy. The market is moving. There's a lot of volatility. I don't know about craziness so much, but there are opportunities, and I mean, it's just on how you perceive things, right? Like, there's people that have 2 different opinions, like they always say, is the glass half full or is it half empty? And how you look at it and how you perceive it could be opportunistic or it could be pessimistic. So I will go into it and talk a little bit about a market update, but let's touch base a little bit about last time. We talked about emergency funds, and I know we had mentioned more about individuals versus businesses and the importance that if you are a business owner, how you need to take into consideration that, hey, I have a business and I need to have an emergency fund for that, because being a business owner in times like this, if you have to shut down your business, you need to make sure that you are still able to pay for certain bills, expenses, different things. Even though the government might come out and help or however they could, you still need to make sure that from point A to point B, you're still covered by yourself.
I want to add to that real quick, if I may. Sorry to interrupt, but I don't know. Did you get a chance to read Mark Cuban and all these other CEOs and presidents and people from I guess different industries and organizations that are paying for their employees and arena people and whoever is getting whoever are working during this time, they're still paying their salaries. I think that's a really cool thing, and that's something that business owners might want to take a look into saving for if they haven't already. And I think you really hit the nail on that one when you said that just now.
Yeah, and I mean, it's a situation that you don't really plan for, and you don't ever think until it comes and hits. And we live in a society, or at least in a time right now, where it is a reality, and it is something that is very important, because we know how important it is not to just keep your employees, but to retrain the new employee in that new position. It takes forever for somebody to learn that skill and that craft, and it takes a lot of money out of your own pocket, maybe even more than just making sure that this employee that you currently have is well taken care of. And they might even think that, hey, you know, they might become brand loyal to you as well. So it's a two-way street, and just being prepared and making sure that you have set aside something that either your personal for your 6 months to make sure you can get through these type of periods of time, or for your business, that in case there's a downfall or something does happen to close for a little bit of time, not your business or your daily cash flow, your operational management wouldn't be too affected.
Yeah, that makes sense. Yeah, I totally understand that. And I didn't before. Now I feel like this is I guess all this stuff that's happening, more things are becoming more and more open to the public, and you know, especially when individuals such as yourself come on the show and you know, spread awareness and such. I think it's very beneficial, and people should take a lot more note of it. And I think I have now as well, not only from the radio, but I've become more attentive, because now people are sharing a lot more knowledge in the public. Because I mean, only way we're going to survive is if we survive together. You know, unity.
And yeah, definitely. And living in America, I'm pretty sure everyone is in pursuit of the American dream.
Right.
And the American dream isn't becoming the richest man in the world or anything in that nature. It's finding what you love to do and making sure that you are able to do it. And finance is a big part of that. It's not money makes happiness, but money does allow to make life a little easier.
True. This is true. Yeah, I get that. I wholeheartedly agree. Let's see. Before we get the market update, you mind if I play a song real quick?
Yeah, go for it, man.
Wonderful. We're going to play some music. This is from the movie Houseful 4, Shaitan Ka Sala. And we'll be back more with Adil Mackwani from M&A Wealth. Stay tuned and give us a call if you have any questions for financial literacy. 972-501-9390. Stay tuned, yo. That was from the movie Houseful 4. We have Adil Mackwani on the line from M&A Wealth. And we're talking about the Financial Literacy Episode 2. That's right, Financial Literacy Show, Episode 2, live on Radio Azad at the time. And let's see, we're talking a little bit about recapping and emergency funds and such. So I'm curious, what's going on with the markets? I see your Monday, Mac Money Monday. Is that still going on?
Mac Money Mondays. Correct. That is right.
Okay, yeah. So in those, I like those because they're a great way to kind of catch up on what's happening in the market, as well as a variety of other things that pop up in the financial world industry. And so people, if you haven't followed him already, it's M&A Wealth on Facebook and Instagram and everywhere else. And you'll get a lot of interesting facts and ways to kind of look at how you can work with the markets. So let's hear some market update, if you may.
Yeah, so like the market, everybody has been seeing in the last, I guess about 2 weeks, 3 weeks, we've seen a correction. First there was a correction, and then now we're in a bear market as per se based on terms. And this could be led on by this coronavirus has impacted a lot of businesses and a lot of other industries as well, especially with, if you look at the deals that are happening between Russia and Saudi Arabia, oil prices. So a lot of this has built up in the market, and if we've seen the market in the last 10 years, if you take it into synopsis, it's grown very, very drastically, and including last year itself, it was almost a 18 to 20% return in the S&P 500. So when markets get to those levels, and the stock market in particular, there is it's not unlimited growth, right? In the chart, nothing goes straight up. It's not a linear line. There is a lot of corrections and there's a lot of buildup, and it helps stimulate the economy.
Right.
When things fall, there's opportunity with some eyes and some people they don't see it as opportunity. With my clients and I, we were anticipating that there would be a pullback, not as drastic as this, but some sort of pullback. So we did have some funds on the side, and we were able to take advantage of some of the positions that are because of the market in its correction. But there are different things and different aspects that you look at for the most part, total of a market, if that makes sense.
Yeah, that makes sense. Okay, I can understand that. It's good that you're kind of breaking it down and not using too much lingo when it comes to like market stuff, and it's good because I feel like I'm assuming clients will also appreciate that type of selection of words as well when you're describing things to them.
Yeah, because market terminology, you could use the words like volatility. There's indexes that show volatility, and you can see how things move day to day. But if you're talking to the common person, they're not going to know what that is, and they don't honestly have the time to go look it up. That's not their job. That's my job.
Right.
Just to make sure that I can interpret it for you and break down what is happening.
Straight up, yeah, that makes sense. Okay, interesting. So that's our market update for now. Is that right?
Yeah, and it's a little bit of that. Like, so when you look at the market, I mean, the first underlying thing that you're buying is businesses.
Right.
That's the core foundation of it. Now, the stock market has an anticipation of its own where the market price might reflect what the business is worth, or it might not, depending on supply and demand. Now, for the stock market, it's kind of funny because when things go 20% off, 30% off at Macy's or anywhere you go buy your clothes or shoes, people run and go get a discount and want to go buy it up immediately.
Right.
But in the stock market, when you see a 20 to 30% discount, which rarely happens, or maybe it happens once every 5-6 years, people are so afraid. And it's that mentality that you're taught that, and that's how you get to the buy low, sell high. Like, people make it very simple, like Buffett and all these great investors. They say, oh, you just buy low and sell high. But it's on that theory that, hey, when the stock market falls and you see things that are at lower valued assets, then you would want to be in them rather than run away from them. That makes sense.
Yeah, that makes sense. Okay, yeah, that makes sense.
So with the market, I think we'll see a little bit of maybe a stability as we see more news about the coronavirus, more people, especially when we see a vaccine, we'll probably see a lot more stability and a little bit back in growth. And when businesses start operating in America, as they have already in China, and a lot of these businesses are international, so they have many locations and their profits are all intertwined. But when they start operating back in the United States, we should see the market recover.
Yeah, that makes sense. I can see that. It's like what goes up must come down, vice versa as well, right? It's not always going to be the same. It's just like a cycle of some things, right? So, kind
And
of
when
makes
things come down, you can look at it as, oh, I'm losing money, or you can look at it as, hey, there's an opportunity for me to buy more and actually maybe average it out, or be able to even establish positions in things that were very expensive that before you couldn't even think that, hey, I want to own this company. Because at the end of the day, you're buying a business.
Yeah.
That's the core of it. And nobody I know as a business owner that is in the field goes and buys a business one day and tries to sell it the next 10 minutes.
yeah, this is true.
Some people want to do that in the stock market, which makes no sense to me. I mean, you can trade it, and I understand that you can do a lot of different trades that do play that time, but in that sense, if you're going to buy something, you want to hold it, extract value, collect some dividends, and then eventually when the company goes up over time and let time be on your side, then sell out for some capital appreciation on top.
Nice. That sounds like a dope strategy right there, man. That's what's up. So, like, do you do this for all your clients, or is it like it just kind of matters from client to client, or it's different from client to client?
So at M&A Wealth, it's a financial planning firm, and we do a full array of financial services. And with financial planning, most of my clients, we provide asset management, and asset management includes creating portfolios, explaining clients' market theories, because when you're from a client of mine, I think my whole job is to educate you. Yes, that can, like, first is for me to make sure that, hey, the money is being managed, it's growing, and we're in good companies that are able to grow. But the other part of it is to make sure that I educate you and I answer your questions, and I make sure that you're able to filter out what you hear, if that makes sense.
Yeah.
Because I can be your filter all day and I can tell you something, but at the end of the day, you need to kind of develop that filter on your own, so you know, hey, what am I listening to on the news? Is it somebody's opinion, or is it a fact, or what's really going on out there? Because, I mean, they tell you one day not to buy, one day to buy, so, I mean, what can you really listen to, right?
Yeah, that makes sense. I can see that there's a lot of confusion in the markets, and because of the constant propaganda from all these other companies left and right, and yeah, I can see I would get confused. So I think this is great that you're able to assist your clients from all that chaos. Let's see. I want to hear about some life insurance because I'm in insurance as well, but I don't play with life insurance. That's just something I feel like people. I leave it up to the guys who know about it, guys and gals who know about it. So I'm gonna play a song. When we come back from that. Or actually, let's introduce it and I'll play a song. How about this? Is there like a plethora of knowledge you've got today for life insurance, by the way?
Yeah, so that is the next topic, and that's topic 2 would be life insurance and how you can use it as a saving mechanism and how you can pretty much secure your future by looking into it as, hey, I'm saving, and then when I die, I have a legacy that I'm going to pass on to my heirs tax-free.
Yeah, that's right. Okay. This is interesting, and we're going to take a quick song break as well, and we'll talk more about that and your upcoming book as well. So I'm looking forward to hear about your book, man. This is going to be exciting. So sit tight, and before we play some music, got to give a shout-out to our lovely partners over at, let's see what's going on. This is Godfather's Pizza. That's great. By the way, lately in this quarantine situation, have you picked up on any shows or anything that you're watching on TV or anything like that?
No, but I have caught some of This Is Us, like I've been catching up on that, which I haven't seen it. I don't know if you've seen that show.
No, I haven't. Heard great things though. How is that? Like, what's that about? I know it's about like American families or something, right?
Yeah, it's an American family, kind of dystopic, but like it's different, seeing from different points of view. But it's an emotional roller coaster. The way that they've made it is phenomenal in the sense that it won't be just a straight line. Like there will be moments, 10 minutes of where you're happy, and 10 minutes where you want to be sad and bawl your eyes out, and another 5 minutes of just being content. And it's a really good way of portraying like a good story to keep you engaged.
Oh, like a nice, yeah. I like roller coasters like that because I mean, too much of the same emotion, you get dried out. Like forget about it. Too sad, too happy, too much going on. I like the nice mix of things. The dramedy, dramedy, like comedy and drama.
Yeah, and you'll see definitely parts of that. It's more on the drama side because it deals with family and some family problems, but there is definitely some funny scenes and like they balance. It's a very good balance show.
That's what's up. I'm gonna check it out. I'm gonna check it out for sure. I'm excited about this. The reason why I said that was because I started watching Sopranos all over again from the beginning, from 1999, and yeah, man, that's why I was getting pumped for New York. I was like, I'm going to New York, New Jersey. This should be fun. I'll fit right in. Sound like an Italian mobster. Try not to get killed or anything, but still. Yeah, honestly.
Got the voice down.
Yeah, seriously. Even especially when we talked about Godfather's Pizza a few times this past couple of months. They're the pizza you can't refuse. I can't do it right now, but it's very raspy. I have to give a shout out for Godfather's Pizza because unfortunately they don't have the buffet for the next couple of weeks. But you can enjoy their takeout and delivery of delicious Godfather's Pizza starting at just $7.99. Give them a call 214-436-4555. That is a Bia Halal Italian style pizza. Mention Radio Azad, get that 10% discount for takeout. Again, give them a call 214-436-4555. Check out their Facebook page at Godfather's Pizza Frisco or godfathers.com. I'm going to play a song real quick. We'll be back with Adil Mackwani. Give us a call if you have any questions about financial literacy. And the number is 972-501-9390. And let's play some music. Let's see what's going on. This is from the movie Pati Patni or Wo, and it's called Akhiyon Se Goli Mare. It's a remake of the old school jam. Check it out, y'all. We'll be back. Sit tight, Adil.
If y'all have any questions about financial literacy, this is the time to give us a call. When I start talking on the air again, give me a call at 972-501-9390. Adil knows everything and anything about financial literacy, and I think it'll be great for you to get a chance to have a conversation with them and myself. So let me know. Let us know.
Can you eat the world's best chicken that is cooked to succulent perfection on a flame grill and basted with secret peri-peri sauces? Only at the Port of Peri-Peri, which has 4 locations for your convenience at Plano, Frisco, Arlington, and Irving. Try their wings, lemon herb chicken, or signature chicken for a memorable meal. For vegetarian diners, be sure to try their peri falafel or peri cassava fries, which go great with their delicious veggie burger or paneer wrap. Visit myperiperi.com for their full menu, catering, dine-in, and takeout available. Rev up your taste buds at Port of Peri-Peri.
Now is the time to save during Toyota's Ready, Set, Go event. Hurry to Freeman Toyota today and get 0% interest on their best-selling models. Finance with 0% on new 2020 Camrys and Corollas, and get 0% on new 2020 Tundra trucks. Now is a great time to shop, so call today Mohammed Ahmed at Freeman Toyota, 817-287-5411. That's 817-287-5411. Whether you're looking for auto insurance, home insurance, business insurance, including gas stations, convenience stores, hotels, motels, restaurants, cafes, professional liability and umbrella, let us at Radio Azad make it very convenient for you by giving you one trusted name in the business, Hawke's Bay Insurance Group.
Hawke's Bay Insurance Group offers bundle discounts as well, where you can save big.
Hawke's Bay Insurance Group is located in Irving, Texas. Visit them at hbinsurancegroup.com or call 972-332-0549.
गुर्बत की गली ही क्यों तंग होती है, जहाँ हर रोज भूख से जंग होती है। इनके ख्वाब अधूरे क्यों रहे, जिंदगी की दौड़ में ये पीछे क्यों रहे। उबैट बांट रहा है इल्म की रोशनी, पहुंचा रहा है पीने का साफ पानी, बांट रहा है सेहत और ढेरों खुशियाँ। अपना हक पूरा कीजिए, हमारा साथ दीजिए। To give your zakat today, please visit obathelpers.org.
Take Radio Azad everywhere with you. Tap the app to listen to live radio on the go or tune in to 104.9 FM HD3.
कहते हैं कि यहाँ nothing is certain but death and taxes. तो मैं सोचता हूँ कि जब हम ना मौत से बच सकते हैं और ना ही टैक्स है, भी हम लोग अपनी जान और अपने कीमती असासों की इंश्योरेंस नहीं करवाते, और अगर करवाते भी हैं तो बिना कुछ जाने सोचे समझे और परखे ऐसे हम फैसले लेते हैं। अपनी जान और अपने माल की इंश्योरेंस किस कंपनी से करवानी है, इसका फैसला तो भैया आप ही को करना पड़ेगा। मेरे पास तो पहले से है मेरी भरोसेमंद ग्लोबल फाइनेंशियल एंड इंश्योरेंस सर्विसेज। वैसे एक बात तो है, अगर इतनी लंबी बात देसी तरीके से एक ही लाइन में कहनी हो तो शायद कुछ ऐसे होती। I am तो fully covered, Papa. Are you?
And I am too. For more information and to request a quote, please visit theglobalfinancial.com or call 469-317-9400. Your protection is their priority.
And we're back to Radio Azad's Millennial Masala with your host Anil Sohani, coming to you live from the studios here in Irving, Texas, in the heart of the DFW. But don't worry, we're live in 50 states and 120 countries. Quarantine is in my mind right now, so country turned into quarantine. 50 states, 120 countries on the Radio Azad app, as well as 104.9 FM HD3, as well as 1110 AM. It's going down here in the studios. We have a very special guest, the president and CEO of M&A Wealth, Mr. Adil N. Mackwani is on the air with us. How's it going, Adil?
Doing well.
Awesome. We're sharing some financial literacy with you all, and when I say we, I mean he, and I'm just here curating it. He's got the whole genius behind this whole financial industry. And honestly, we were talking about market update earlier, and then introduced the topic of life insurance. But now I think the crowd is probably more excited and interested to hear about your book. You got a book coming out, is that right?
Yes, I do have a book, and we did mention it last time. And on our website, you can go and pre-register as well. Put in a comment or send us an email, and we'll get you on the list to get an ebook when it is released. We will be releasing it it should be available on Amazon, hardcover, paperback, and eventually, hopefully, maybe in a couple months, I'll be able to get an audiobook done for it as well. The book is called Tax Strategies for High Net Worth Individuals, and it's not just for high net worth individuals, because it covers a wide variety of topics, from your emergency funds, what we talked about, life insurance, what we are going to talk about today, all the way to different investment accounts, such as your 401ks or 403bs you might have at work, or if you're a business owner, like a SEP IRA, or maybe you want to start a 401k. So it mentions the benefits of having them and how you can use them to invest money and eventually reduce your taxes over time as well.
That's wonderful. And you said the book is called Tax Strategies for High Net Worth Individuals. Is that right?
Correct. That's exactly what it's called, and we plan on releasing it April 2nd. As of right now, on times with publishing and everything, so April 2nd, I believe that's the date we have kind of talked about that it should be ready to launch.
There you go, man. That's exciting. I'm really excited to have that a part of Radio Azad history as well. You know, we got a show here going. Adil's got his own, a book coming out, and he's part of the Radio Azad team now because we got a monthly show for financial literacy. And last time we had it, I think, in sometime in February, and now it's around March time frame. So once a month, we're gonna have a nice financial literacy show, and y'all are more than welcome to give us a call and ask any questions at all. 972-501-9390 is the number. And yeah, I'm looking forward to this book. I might just read it as like my bedtime, bedside book, I think. Because if you can't sleep, they say just start reading something, and more than likely, like, you'll gain some knowledge, but it might just put you to sleep. I'm not saying your book's gonna put me to sleep, but I'm just saying, Harry Potter.
It's all financial topics.
I'm talking about like Harry Potter and all those little, like any book that you read. It's good to have read at least a chapter.
I've definitely heard that saying before. Read a book and it'll put you to sleep.
Yeah. So I think it'll be great to have a bedside thing. So let's dive into the topic of this segment, because every we have a 2-hour segment, and every segment has about 4 segments within that, sub-segments. So let's talk about the sub-segment on life insurance, term life versus whole life. What's the difference? What's going on with these differences?
So, I mean, we've both heard of life insurance, and I'm pretty sure that we have a little bit of a knowledge of it. There's 2 main types of life insurance.
Okay.
One is a term life insurance, and a term life insurance has a couple of moving parts, just a couple components. One is a death benefit, and one is the time period that you bought that term for. Some term periods last only 20 to 30 years. Does that make sense so far?
Yeah, 20 to 30 years for the
For a death benefit, you pay pretty much a small amount of money or a fixed amount of money, depending on what type of policy you have. But most of the 20 years, let's say a 20-year term policy with a $100,000 death benefit, that 20-year, let's say it costs you, just hypothetical numbers, $50 a month.
Sure.
That $50 a month you pay for 20 years, and if something were to happen to you, your beneficiary would get $100,000 tax-free. And that's very important to understand that, hey, the money that is passed on to your heirs is tax-free, because you don't want them to have to end up paying tax on money.
Yeah, makes sense. I can see that.
People have hard times, and then on top of that, you get a big tax bill after that hard time saying that, oh, well, we gave you a check for this much, and now you owe us X amount of money from it. Then that's going to be even harder on you if you've already spent that money.
Yeah, this is true. This is great. I didn't know that you could do it tax-free. I thought it was like something the opposite end of the spectrum.
Yeah, and there are limits on it for sure. I mean, after a certain amount of income, you can only pass based on your estate, which is all covered in the book, actually. You're only allowed to pass X amount of dollars per kid. So, but there's other ways to get around that, opening trust and different vehicles. But at the base of it, there's life insurance, and that's term life. Is that you're paying a fixed amount of dollars, a small amount of money, pretty much to rent the space. If something were to happen to you, your beneficiary would get X amount of dollars paid out.
Yeah, that's pretty cool. Okay, so that's for death benefit, the death.
Yeah, a death benefit. It's just pure death benefit. That's what it's called. You pay this much amount. Something happens, you die. Person B gets paid.
Okay, cool. All right.
So then there's another vehicle called whole life insurance.
Whole life. All right.
Whole life insurance is like term life, where you have a death benefit and you pay an amount of money, but it also has another component called cash value.
Cash value.
Correct. And whole life insurance is beneficial because it's not a fixed amount of time that you're paying. I mean, you can pay for a fixed amount of time, including 10-year, 20-year, paid up at 65 or paid up at age 99. But the benefit of doing that is that, let's say that after the 20 years on term you bought, right?
Yeah.
And something happens for you, God forbid something happens, and you die at 21 years after. That means the beneficiary would not get anything.
Really? So, okay.
Exactly. On a term policy, that's what you're pretty much saying, is that I will pay you for 20 years. Something happens to me year 21, that policy is no longer valid.
Okay.
But in a whole life contract, since you're adding the cash value, and that's for the whole entirety of your life, not just a certain period of time, something happens to you, your beneficiary would get paid out.
Okay, that makes sense. That part's interesting.
Yeah, so it's a little bit more of a fixed product, not just a temporary product for you. And a lot of employers that have, I'm not saying term life or whole life is better based on your situation. You have to see what you can afford and what's more available at that time.
Yeah, I can see that. Okay, that makes sense. So it's all about like the options that are available at that time because they vary depending on the time frame that you're actually looking into the options.
Definitely. And while you're younger, I would always recommend to go with a whole life product because it has a savings mechanism built into it. And there's a way to actually maximize that saving mechanism in there that a lot of people don't talk about. And I mean, that's how you build up the cash value. And I don't know if you've ever heard of this concept called infinite banking.
Infinite banking. That sounds like something like Capital One or some sort of Chase or someone would throw at you as a marketing gimmick. I don't know. Infinite banking?
Yeah. So it's a concept called infinite banking, where pretty much that you're saving up money and you've built enough reserve where you can bank on yourself. So it's you've saved the money. It's your money that you put in. You're gaining interest on it, but instead of going to a loan to get a bank at 8-9%, you go to your own life insurance and you pull a loan from that. And you're still making maybe 0.5% or 1% on your total principal, but now at the end of the day, you're going to pay yourself back instead of paying the bank back.
Wow. And then when you pay yourself back, of course, you have to. That's extra income that you would have to actually put that for your taxes, right? Like as in like you gave. So how would that work when it comes to taxes though? Like when you make the extra income from the the interest you're charging yourself, would you have to like?
So that interest is going to go to the principal, but you would not charge that interest. That interest that you're making would still be in your contract, but when you pay that policy back, it's fine. Usually though, like let's say that you've taken that cash, some of the cash value out, right?
Okay.
So you have 20,000 built in there and you've taken 10,000 out, and now you end your policy, then you have to pay tax on that money. But the way that it's structured is that it's actually a loan to you from your own money.
Yeah, I like that concept.
Income. So it's not shown as income, it's shown as a loan. And you would want to clarify this with a CPA. I would recommend that 100%, double check what I'm saying. But based on what the industry has told me and based on what I've researched, is that since it's a loan, you don't show it as income on your tax.
Nice. Okay, that's a cool little.
CPA, so ask a CPA your tax questions.
Okay, yeah, CPAs are there for that reason specifically as well, right? So that's wonderful. Okay.
Yeah, we just come up with the strategies, and we know that, and that's where it works. CPAs will work with you to help you, and they'll tell you that, hey, that this is the right vehicle, and they'll double check it. And advisors are there to come up with the strategies for you to save the money on the taxes and say that, and eventually invest and grow that money for you.
So essentially, the advisors are like the coaches, right? And the CPAs are like the referees, or the government's like the referee. But you know what I mean? Like the CPAs are the ones who.
I mean, I see what you're trying to say, and that would be like if you, yeah, it's a stretch, but I see what you're saying. Yeah, that would work. A CPA will double check, making sure that hey, your things are your attorney would, but a CPA would definitely be like a guard or somebody that's definitely double checking what you're doing.
Okay, that's what's up. Let's see. So now you described a little bit about the term life and whole life as well. Is that pretty much the gist of it?
So the whole life is more of a permanent policy.
Okay.
Term life is not a permanent policy. It's both fixed term period of time, and the whole life has a cash value component and it has a death benefit component. And the money that you contribute, some of it goes to cash value, some of it goes to death benefit. And then I think the next topic we want to talk about is a little bit on the cash value and how to create your own bank and some of the ways to actually maximize your whole life, or even if you have a life insurance policy, how to pull it out of the closet and just take a look at it and make sure that you know what you have.
Yeah, that sounds like a plan. Let me play a song real quick. We're going to talk more about increasing cash value in whole life as well as creating your own bank after this song from the movie Bala Na Gorie. Stay tuned and sit tight, brother. We'll be back.
कहती मैनू जुत्ती ले दे सोहणिया मैं कहना गोरीए ना 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 गोरीए ओ कल चुम के नू तरसदे रह गए सोहणिया मैं कहना गोरीए ना 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 गोरीए एको चीज मेरे कोल प्यार वाली है एवें ना गरीबां नू तू मार वाली है एको चीज मेरे कोल प्यार वाली है एवें ना गरीबां नू तू
ते सारी दुनिया ते हाय बंगले ते कर सोहणिया
मैं कहना गोरीए ना 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 गोरीए.
So if you're enjoying the show, if you want to learn more about financial literacy, give us a call. 972-501-9390 is the number. We have Adil Mackwani calling in from Houston, Texas. He is a financial advisor and president of M&A Wealth. So definitely worth taking the time out to ask whatever questions you have in mind now.
मैनू प्यार नहीं जे दे सकती जा डुब के मर जानी और जो तू करने आए ते भी नखरे किसी होर को कर जानी मैनू प्यार नहीं जे दे सकती जा डुब के मर जानी
मेरे कोले जानी सूट दो हिरे दे सोहणिया
मैं कहना गोरीए ना 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 गोरीए ओ कुड़ी मैनू कहदी मैनू जुत्ती ले दे सोहणिया मैं कहना गोरीए ना 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 गोरीए ओ कुड़ी मैनू कहदी ओ कुड़ी मैनू कहदी
जुत्ती ले दे चूड़ियां ले दे मैनू हार ले तू मैनू ले दे बंगला कर दे नदियों पार
कुड़ी मैनू कहदी.
Yeah, that was from the movie Bala, and it's called Na Gori, one of my favorite few good gems that I love playing here at Radio Azad on Millennium Masala. Got a special guest on the line, and he's been talking more and more about financial literacy and the importance of it. And that, my friends, is my buddy out in Houston, Texas, Adil N. Mackwani, aka CEO, President of M&A Wealth. What's going down? What's going on, Adil?
Hey man, I think we covered some pretty intense topics talking about the market, going a little bit of, we're covering last time about emergency funds, and now we're just going to dive in straight into the whole life insurance and how you can increase the cash value and use it as your own little bank.
Yeah, let's do it, man. I'm curious. And before we do, you mind if I give a shout out to one of our lovely partners?
No, definitely. Hey, and I do want to say on air, try to eat at all your local businesses. Small businesses, help them out. Like, this is a time that if they're open, they are trying to stay open because they're trying to serve the community and help the community. So be there for them as well.
100%, man. 100%. I wholeheartedly agree because that's where they need it. I mean, a lot of restaurants are shutting down, and not only that, but like the ones who are trying to stay afloat and even give back. Because I know a lot of restaurants who are giving back to communities, people who can't afford it because even they're out of their jobs or whatever situations because of this pandemic. It's great always to check out your local restaurants, such as one of them being Port of Peri Peri. With one restaurant in Dallas that has all the taste buds of Flutter, it's Port of Peri Peri, now available for your convenience in 4 locations in Plano, Frisco, Arlington, and Irving. Give them a call, 972-423-3440, or visit www.myperiperi.com for their full menu. They have Nando's chicken, some unique peri-peri sauces on the tenders, wings, lemon herb chicken, signature chicken for a memorable meal. Man, are you kidding me? Check out their Peri Beyond. I know, man, the Peri Beyond burger, 100% protein, and cooks, looks, and tastes just like real meat. The cassava fries, peri-peri falafel, rice paneer, and paneer wraps, and man, everything. Catering dine-in is currently out of the question because of this whole pandemic, but takeout is definitely available. Rev up your taste buds for Peri Peri. A lot of P's there, so I'm just like, yeah, man, for sure. So we're with Adil Mackwani, aka CEO, President of M&A Wealth, and let's get into it. So, increasing cash value in your whole life. How's that work, by the way? How you doing that?
So and like we mentioned before, whole life is a permanent life insurance policy, pretty much between you and an insurance company. Ideally, I would recommend that the insurance company be a mutual company because mutual companies, they pay dividends out in their policy policy, and their dividends, their first interest is their policyholders. When you look at other companies that are not mutual companies that you buy life insurance from, they could have a conflict of interest because some of them might be publicly traded, and they have to pay their shareholders and also pay their dividend holders. So there could become a conflict of interest at that point.
Wow.
So my recommendation would be to stick to a mutual company.
Okay.
Now, they do pay dividends, and in that sense, dividends go towards the cash value. And those dividends are built up in your cash value and in your death benefit over time.
Okay.
To have immediate cash value, you would need to honestly open, it's either a 10 pace builds up some cash value. We're saying that a policy is built up in 10 years, so you're kind of putting a little bit towards your cash value immediately, and you're putting a little bit towards your death benefit. In some policies, a rider, that you can ask your agent if it has a paid up additions rider in that policy.
Okay.
When you first sign up, or sometimes they might have marked it, it's usually when you first buy that policy, you want to make sure that that's there. And what that allows you to do is contribute excess money to your cash value. So like, let's say you have a policy where your premium is $100 a month. You're paying $100 a month, and it's going into your account, and it's going to give you $250,000 death benefit if something were to happen.
Okay.
Now, out of that $100, what you can do is put in another $20 or $25 to your cash value portion. So that would see immediately in there, and then at the end of the year, you would get 5.5%, 6% dividend on your total cash value, your total growth of that.
Okay.
Depending, 5.5% and 6%. I'm saying that is because the companies right now, their dividend on average, the mutual companies have been paying anywhere from 4 to 6%.
Holy smokes! Wow. that's pretty awesome. That's not bad. That's pretty awesome, actually. I didn't see that coming.
Yeah, that's a pretty good rate of return, especially when it's not tied to the market. Because when you look at a financial plan, for you to be successful in the stock market, you need to make sure that you have a base. And to create a base, you want an investment vehicle that still generates assets for you, it's still working, and it's not just sitting in cash. You want to make sure that that money is growing and compounding over time. And whole life will provide that if it's set up the right way.
Okay.
And when you see the policies that are set up the right way, they break even quicker.
Okay.
So that the cost that you put into the insurance policy, because there is a cost that goes into insurance as well, to make sure that that death benefit is there. That cost, what you're ideally trying to do is break even that cost as quick as possible and gain the 5.5%, 6%, or whatever the dividend is coming in on your total money.
Okay.
Now let's say that after 5-10 years of you paying into that money, and you have in your cash value $20,000 saved up.
Okay.
Now, instead, you could conventionally go to a bank at that point in time and say that, hey, I want to go get a loan. And a loan on average, if you go to a bank, even in this type of market, is somewhere between 5 and 7%.
Okay.
Or 9%. Like if it's a bigger loan, it's about 9%.
Okay. 9%.
Yeah, and then you're never making any money on that loan. You have to pay that interest back, and then you pay the principal back at the end of it.
Yeah. Okay.
Instead, you could take a loan from yourself, and your pot of money is still going to get 5.5% interest on it, and you took a loan from yourself, and usually the company will charge you somewhere between 4 and 7 or 4 and 6, and you'll be usually making a spread between 0.5%. Between if you take a loan during that and if you're collecting that insurance, if that makes sense.
Okay. Yeah, that makes sense. That's
You're
pretty.
taking a loan for 4.5 from yourself, but your total policy is collecting 5.5, so you're still netting about 1% to 1.5%. Which is that concept of infinite banking that, hey, I'm taking a loan for myself, but my money is still working, and then I have to pay myself back. You would rather pay yourself back than just go to the bank and pay them back.
Right. Exactly. Man, that's pretty cool. It's like I want to say that's sneaky, but I wouldn't say sneaky because it's like strategic, for lack of a better term.
And that's what it is. It's all about strategy. These products are there, and the vehicles are there, including your Roth IRAs, your traditional IRAs, including regular brokerage accounts. They're all there, but you need to figure out how to maximize the products, and that's what we advisors do, is we'll show you, especially fiduciary advisors have to work in the benefit of the client. A lot of insurance agents are not fiduciaries, so sometimes they're more loyal to their company, and they'll look at more what's beneficial to the company. But a fiduciary advisor or a fiduciary even insurance agent will look towards what's beneficial to the client.
Yeah, okay, because they're like they took an oath and everything, right? You guys took an oath?
Yeah, exactly. We have a license that pretty much says that we have to act in the client's best interest in any matter.
Nice, okay, that's what's up. So that's like, so same thing with lawyers as well as doctors, right? Or is that something else? No, lawyers have that as well.
Lawyers have it. Lawyers are fiduciaries, and CPAs are fiduciaries. But doctors they should be a fiduciary, but they take the Hippocratic Oath.
Hippocratic Oath. Okay, interesting. That's what's up, man. That's pretty cool. I'm learning so much as I'm listening to you, and like this has been a day of learning for me. Like I'm just either learning from people calling in or actually just reading about, and I love this. This is like great collaboration that we can kind of create every month or so. All right, so that was it.
Yeah.
Sorry?
And I'm not a genius or anything like that in finance. I'm a student of finance, and that's why I keep learning, and all I'm trying to do is just share the education that I have to other people, because other people study other things and share that with me. So, it's my job to be able to share this information that I've studied.
That's awesome, man. That's like paying it forward, essentially, right?
That's the goal, right? You want to share as much knowledge as you can with the world, and eventually, if you make enough money, like all the rich people do, you want to share your wealth.
Yeah, there you go. That's a mindset you gotta have. That's wonderful. That's what's up, man. This hour went by pretty fast, faster than I thought, to be honest. I'm gonna play a song real quick, and then we'll take a little short break so you can kind of catch your breath as well and drink some water and freshen up, because you're pounding out some information I'm sure people are learning quite a bit from, and so am I. So we'll talk for the next hour. We'll kind of dive into more financial planning. Is that cool with you?
Sounds good, man.
100, man, 100. We're going to take a very, very short break. Let's play some music as well before we take that break. This is from the movie Good News. By the way, if you haven't watched it yet, definitely watch it. If you have a significant other, watch it with them. Don't watch it with your parents or your kids, because this is going to be awkward. It's pretty funny. It's not bad. Have you seen it yet, by the way, with Akshay Kumar?
No, I haven't, but what was it called one more time?
It's called Good News.
You got to text it to me, I just couldn't.
Yeah, it's pretty funny. It's called Good News, like you're saying you're giving somebody good news, like...
Good news.
Yeah. For sure. Let's play music, take this break. We'll be back after these short messages. When you hear a voice, give us a call, 972-501. 9390 is the number, and stay tuned. Sit tight, brother. We'll be back.
Oh my God, this is original.
तूने प्यार से पुकारा चली आई आई जोड़ी तेरी मेरी लगे बड़ी हाई फाई तूने प्यार से पुकारा चली आई आई जोड़ी तेरी मेरी लगे बड़ी हाई फाई तूने किया जो इशारा मैंने कर दिया सारा मैं तारे ना तेरे नाल सोनिया
सारी की सारी तेरी विश करूं पूरी सारी की सारी तेरी विश करूं पूरी मैनू हाँ कर दे सोनिया
दिला दे घर दिला दे घर
दिलाऊं घर चंडीगढ़ में दिलाऊं घर चंडीगढ़ में दिलाऊं घर चंडीगढ़ में दिलाऊं घर चंडीगढ़ में नैने शराबी तेरे सूट पंजाबी पाके हाय नी दिल मांगती जो भी कहेंगी लगे हाथ दिला दो मुझे कसम लगे मेरे रब दी नोट उड़ा दो सारे ठुमके पे तेरे नोट उड़ा दो सारे ठुमके पे तेरे खाली कर दूं बटुआ
दिला दे घर दिला दे घर
दिलाऊं घर चंडीगढ़ में दिलाऊं घर चंडीगढ़ में दिलाऊं घर चंडीगढ़ में दिलाऊं घर चंडीगढ़ में Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Baby, come, baby, go. Baby, तेरी ब्यूटी का फैन हूँ तू गोरी गोरी छोरी छोरा मैं भी टैन हूँ ये घर वर की न कर परवाह तू पूरा चंडीगढ़ तेरे नाम करा दूँ येलो ड्रेस तेरी मेरी येलो लैम्बोर्गिनी हर विश करूं पूरी तेरी मैं हूं तेरा जिनी ऐसे करके इशारे क्यों तू दिल तड़पाए कभी आए कभी जाए मुझे काय ए मेंडोलिन चल चालू करना
You are listening to Radio Azad, KZMP Pilot Point 104.9 FM HD3 and KVTT 1110 AM Mineral Wells, Dallas, Fort Worth.
Where can you eat the world's best chicken that is cooked to succulent?
Hopefully y'all are having fun. I am trying to maintain my energy levels because it's been a really long day. This is hour number 6 I'm starting on radio. So 1 to 3, 6 to 8, and now 8 to 10. So one more hour, a power hour. It's going down.
.com for their full menu, catering, dine-in, and takeout available. Rev up your taste buds at Port of Peri Peri.
अरे बहार बेगम आप तो हमें दिल का दौरा देने लगी हैं। इस महीने का क्रेडिट कार्ड का बिल आया है। इतनी महंगी शॉपिंग।
अजीब बशीर साहब, अब स्टाइलिश लगने की कीमत तो होगी ना। एलिगेंस बुटीक के पास सबसे लेटेस्ट स्टाइल्स हैं और कीमत बहुत मुनासिब। अब आपको दिल का दौरा पड़ने की फिक्र नहीं और मैं वैसे ही फैशन कॉन्शियस लगूंगी। और आपके लिए मैंने शेरवानी पिक कर ली है, बिल्कुल दुल्हे मियाँ लगेंगे पहनकर।
क्या बात है दुल्हन बेगम, कितनी बार दूल्हा बनाएंगे आप मुझको, पर आप भी क्या याद करेंगे। आपको ले चलेंगे आपकी फेवरेट एलिगेंस बुटीक।
For a huge selection of casual, semi-formals, formals, bridal wear, jewelry, perfumes and accessories, visit Elegance Perfume and Boutique at 10009 North MacArthur Boulevard in Irving or check out their page on Facebook.
Get a blockbuster spring deal during the Ready Set Go event at Freeman Toyota. Get new 2020 Camrys and RAV4s for just $299 a month and get new 2020 Corollas for just $239 a month and save on their best SUVs and drive a new 2020 4Runner for just $399 a month. Plus, you can buy with no money down for a limited time. Don't wait, hurry and call Sales Manager Mohammed Ahmed today at Freeman Toyota, 817-287-5411. That's 817-287-5411.
ओहो बड़ी भूख लग रही है। काम के चक्कर में सुबह से कुछ भी नहीं खाया।
कितनी दफा कहा है आपको कि खाना ना मिस किया करें। चलें अब गॉडफादर पिज्जा चलते हैं। अफजल भाई तो इतनी तारीफ कर रहे थे कि सुनकर ही मुंह में पानी आ रहा था कि उनके पास जबरदस्त लंच बुफे है जहां सैलड्स, तरह तरह के ज़बीहा हलाल स्पेशलिटी पिज्जाज और मजेदार डिजर्ट्स भी मिलते हैं। आपके लिए तो चटपटे पिज्जा भी हैं। आप भी खुश और बच्चे भी खुश।
ठीक ही तो कहता हूँ मैं कि हमारी बेगम साहिबा के पास हर मसले का हल होता है।
Godfather Pizza is located at 1606 FM 423 in Frisco. Mention Radio Azad and get 10% off your order. Dine, takeout, delivery, and catering available. Look them up at the Godfather's Pizza Frisco page on Facebook or call them at 214-436-4555.
Do you want to eat better, exercise, incorporate yoga and meditation, and lead a more healthy lifestyle in every way?
Rosina Dasani is a health coach who understands the emotional, physical, behavioral, nutritional, and lifestyle factors that are needed to improve your overall health and well-being. Rosina is offering a special for Radio Azad listeners. Sign up for her 6-week session, which is done online via Zoom, and get a free session of Reiki. These sessions are very affordable, and you can do them in the comfort of your own home.
For more information, please call Rosina Dosani at 682-429-9791 or email at rosedoss@aol.com.
कहते हैं कि nothing is certain but death सोचता हूँ कि जब हम ना मौत से बच सकते हैं और ना ही टैक्स से, फिर भी हम लोग अपनी जान और अपने कीमती असासों की इंश्योरेंस नहीं करवाते, और अगर करवाते भी हैं तो बिना कुछ जाने सोचे समझे और परखे ऐसे हम फैसले ले लेते हैं। अपनी जान और अपने माल की इंश्योरेंस किस कंपनी से करवानी है, इसका फैसला तो भैया आप ही को करना पड़ेगा। मेरे पास तो पहले से है मेरी भरोसेमंद ग्लोबल फाइनेंशियल एंड इंश्योरेंस सर्विसेज। वैसे एक बात तो है, अगर इतनी लंबी बात देसी तरीके से एक ही लाइन में कहनी हो तो शायद कुछ ऐसे होती। आई एम तो फुल्ली कवर्ड पापा, आर यू?
And I am too. For more information and to request a quote, please visit theglobalfinancial.com or call 469-317-9400. Your protection is their priority.
जान लेना मेरा नशा है। काफिरा तो चल दिया इस सफर के संग, काफिरा तो चल दिया इस सफर के संग, मंजिलें ना ढूंढ कोई लेके अपना रंग, रहूं मैं मलंग मलंग मलंग, रहूं मैं मलंग मलंग मलंग, रहूं मैं मलंग मलंग मलंग, मैं मलंग हाय रे। मैं बैरागी साजी हूँ ये भटकता मन, मैं बैरागी साजी हूँ ये भटकता मन, अब कहाँ ले जाएगा ये आवारापन, रहूं मैं मलंग मलंग मलंग, रहूं मैं मलंग मलंग मलंग, रहूं मैं मलंग मलंग मलंग, मैं मलंग हाय रे। रूबरू खुद से हुआ हूँ, मुझ में मुझको तू मिला, रूबरू खुद से हुआ हूँ, मुझ में मुझको तू मिला, बादलों के इस जहां में आसमां तुझ में मिला, पिघली है अब रात भी है शहर भी है नम, ना खुदा मैं तो रहा बन गया तू धर्म, रहूं मैं मलंग मलंग मलंग, रहूं मैं मलंग मलंग मलंग, रहूं मैं मलंग मलंग मलंग, मैं मलंग हाय रे।
And we are back to Radio Azad's Millennium Masala with your host Anil Sohani, and that song was the title song to the movie Malung. The song was titled Malung. Very simple, straightforward. Sitting here with Adil, aka Mackwani from M&A Wealth in Houston, Texas, calling in. Thank you so much for your time, brother, for calling in and taking part in this whole financial literacy episode 2.
No problem, buddy.
For sure. And before we jump back into this and get into some financial planning details and information, got to give a shout out to MyQuest Energy. That's right, MyQuest Energy. Why pay more for utilities than you have to? Switch to MyQuest Energy and you'll get the best commercial and residential electricity rates possible. MyQuest Energy has no hidden fees, easy payment options, and seamless transitions without any interruption in service. Just mention Radio Azad and they'll be able to make a customized package for you to save money. Sign up today and receive up to $50 back if you mention Radio Azad, and that's what I call the Desi discount. Call Malik Chirani at 972-358-3204. A 5-minute call can save you up to $500 per year. To learn more about how you can save, please visit myquestenergy.com. MyQuest Energy, lighting up your life. I'm also an energy broker. Oh my God, I'm like all over the place today, man. I'm also an energy broker for the state of Texas. So if you have any questions for MyQuest or anything else in regards to commercial or residential electricity, reach out to your boy at the Anil Sohani or theanilsohani@gmail.com or 832-704-7770. Back to financial planning with the Mac man himself from M&A Wealth. Let's dive in, man. What's going on about financial planning? What are the things that people would need to know in order to get started?
So all the topics we will be covering over the next, few months that we've been doing this, they all include parts of a financial plan.
Okay.
Now, when it comes to financial planning, it's not, the investments, or it's not this, or it's not that. It's about how things work together for you. Okay. It's like what I say, or what I believe in. It's not about how much money it takes you to go from point A to point B. It is what is point A and what is point B for you. And then the journey in between is what we have to figure out, or the cost is just what we have to figure out that'll get you there. But the main job is to first sit down when you want to create any plan, is to sit down and be able to brainstorm it and figure out that, hey, this is where I'm at today, this is where I want to go, and this is probably what it's going to take to get me there. And then you bring that and we look at it. Usually the basics of a financial plan are your emergency funds, which we covered already.
Right.
Second would be setting up a savings vehicle, which I think a great savings vehicle with long-term growth, and if you set it up the right way, could be a whole life insurance.
Okay.
And then the next would be your investment. And having that insurance, being able to grow for you and use it as a savings vehicle and have that stability that's not really tied to the stock's volatility of it going up and down all the time. More it's a contract between you and the company, saying that they will pay you a guaranteed amount over a fixed period of time. That brings a kind of a baseline for you to start with, saying that, okay, if anything happens to me, I will, or my legacy will have X amount of dollars paid out to them.
Wow, okay. That makes sense.
Then you want to look in the investments. Your investments is your longest part of savings. That is the one that, like I said, you buy a company, you want to hold it for ideally forever until it goes up to a point where you've capitally appreciated much more than you've paid for it.
With the dividends as well, right, along the way?
Correct. The dividends will be paid to you annually, or they'll pay every quarter, and you'll collect it. The yield will be annual. The yield is how much the percentage that you make from the dividend. Okay. And with that, you after time and compounding, because the thing is this, we know when certain companies, being a passive investor, right? Okay. And most of these companies, unless you have more than 10% of the company, you would be considered a passive investor.
Okay.
Or you're a board member. So you're just pretty much giving the money and you're telling this business to go pretty much do their job and make the money and then pay you back.
Yeah, okay. Makes sense.
But a lot of these businesses, it's not like they can come up with products the next day. So you want to have that time horizon working for you, and some of these companies will pay you a dividend for holding that money with them. And the bigger the company, usually the longer it takes for them to grow because there's more moving parts. So they pay you a dividend to hold that company for that period of time. And then eventually, if you give it time, most companies with strong balance sheets, strong cores, good cash flow, and good leadership, they are able to grow and prosper.
Okay, yeah, that's pretty cool. That's something that people should look into, I think, further
Definitely. Definitely. So, like, if you have your emergency funds, you have enough to get you from point A to point B, or for the small things from 6 months, you'd be covered. For instance, like, let's take this example for instance. This would be a best example. Our current situation, if you had your emergency funds, you would not be worried for the next 3 to 4 months. So you would be able to live off of that. And then let's say you had your whole life set up. From there, you could always pull a loan from there if anything were to happen to you and pay yourself back in that 6 months. And then what does that allow you to do? Since you have all of that already set up, when this market is going up and down, it won't really matter to you because you're in the long run. So when it bounces back, if you already were invested and bounces back, you'll be able to recover at that point in time. It's not like you need to money and you have to go pull from your investment vehicles day one. You want to be able to make sure that your money is liquid, where it's enough is able to cover your expenses, but as well as your money is making money for you as well, because you don't want all your money sitting in cash. So, but there's a fine line, right? You need to make sure that you're also protected.
True.
So making sure that the steps of the financial plan are done correctly and that they're overseen and they're aligned with your vision is the main importance of financial planning. Now, what it takes to get you from point A to point B will be different per person. Some people might have to deal with opening a trust. Some people might just need to start with the emergency funds and get their cash flow analysis taken care of. And usually on our website we have a lot of free resources, or even just organizing and getting budgeted. We have a great cash flow analysis which is fully comprehensive. You can go in and put in your numbers and talk about your income, your 401ks, and it'll show you your debt to income ratio.
Wow, okay. Debt to income ratio, right?
Yeah, and your outlays and your net outlays as well. So it's all comprehensive on there. All you have to do is just plug in your information. All the resources, we try to make them available because it's not just making sure that the client is able to do that. It's taking that information then when he comes to us and interpreting and saying that, okay, this would be 3 different scenarios and this is how it could play out. And making sure that they understand that this is the full objective of where they want to go.
Yeah.
And this is what it's going to take, and this is where they're at today. And we'll pretty much tell them that this is what it's going to take, if this is what you see your future as.
Okay, that makes sense. It's good. That's called. I think that's called management of expectations. I think that's good that you actually do that with your
That's
clients.
my job, period, is to manage your expectations. I'm not in here to say that I'm going to get you X amount of return in the stock market or anything like that. I think anybody that says that is foolish. And dividends, and we use investment strategies even on top of just looking at dividend companies to make sure that they are hedging in markets that are very volatile.
Interesting, man. That's interesting. That's actually, it reminds me of Wall Street. If you watched that movie, The Original Wall Street,
Yeah.
Michael Douglas and Charlie Sheen, I think.
It's a great movie.
Yes, it's crazy. I think this is a time where, like, with pandemic-wise, I know are you quarantined at home yourself, by the way?
Yeah, I don't think I have a serious case. And, if you are sick, I mean, just generally, like, if you're sick ever, just stay at home. Like, I understand people have to work and people need to pay their expenses, and a lot of people don't have that luxury, and they might be listening saying, oh, he's just hard. But maybe save up a little bit on this next time so that, when things like this occurs, then you're not too panicked.
Okay.
The first thing you do, the first thing problem is that people panic. And
Yes.
the first thing you do in any situation is they tell you or they teach you not to panic.
Yeah.
So just calm down, relax, make sure that things are available. But if you're financially secure, like I said, it might not make you happy, but it will make life a little bit easier.
Yeah, that's true. That makes sense. I think that's a peace of mind. I think people should realize that they already have if they just simply look down at their paperwork and maybe have if their current advisor or planners with them, they should get that peace of mind from them if they haven't received it yet. And my thing is, like, when you're, so in situations like this, God forbid this happens for long term or it happens again or anything like that, but like, what do you do in terms of like, because I know you're going to make the trip out to Dallas, and I know you had clients out here you probably visit here and there, but like, what did you say to them now? I know, like, are you still able to, talk to them about what they need to do without having to be there in person, or is it something that...
With my firm, the way I set it up, where everything is actually online and in the 21st century, where our clients, I mean, they can speak with us if they need to, but they can just sign client agreements and open the accounts automatically without even talking to us now. And we've had clients do that as well. Most of my meetings lately, I mean, I love to meet my clients in person because honestly, at the end of the day, the reason you're giving your money to me is obviously like you should know that I'm doing my job and I'm good at what I do. But other than that, it's that personal relationship you're trying to build. And you should have a personal relationship with somebody that manages your money. Or at least know that, hey, this is the strategy, or they've developed some time with you. And they check up on you. Like, at the end of the day, you don't want an advisor that you don't want a salesperson. You want an advisor. And an advisor is supposed to be there for your life.
True. This is true, especially if there's a fiduciary. I think that's even more you can kind of rest easier at night. I think when you have somebody who's like legally like liable to make sure you get the best thing for you.
Yeah, definitely. It's going to look at your situation and going to tell you that, hey, it might not be the sweetest music to your ears at that moment, so that, hey, in reality, you think you're here, but you're actually here, and this is what you need to do to get there. But once you get there and you follow those steps, then, I mean, at the end of the day, it'll be all smiles.
Yeah, no doubt. That's interesting. Thank you so much for breaking down the whole kind of not the whole, but a vast intro to financial planning. That's pretty dope. Before we jump into the next topic, or the next topic is really us talking about the traditional IRAs, the SEP, the IRA, what a 401k. I know about 401k. I've never heard of 403b. That was something that kind of piqued my ears when you mentioned it earlier.
Yeah, definitely. We'll be touching that, and that's the main topic for next time. Is what we'll be talking about is a lot of the traditional investment vehicles and like a traditional IRA. But we'll touch a little bit based on what they are and how you can use them for retirement, and how you can maybe even get a tax break by investing in a couple of them before your taxes are due in April.
Definitely. So I'm going to ask you a question, because I know like we're talking about financial literacy and everything, but at the core of it, you are an entrepreneur. So like this, I've been playing a lot of Would You Rathers this whole week. Every day, whatever day I've had a show. Tuesday I had the Gotti Guys. Wednesday I had Millennium Masala Pop-Up Show at an earlier time. And then today I had like, you're my third show of the day, brother. And yeah, each one of those.
They're working you full time.
Yeah, I'm having a great time doing it, man. I'm having a great time doing it, just emptying out my brain of all these thoughts and taking in more knowledge, right? So, I found a Would You Rather that might kind of hit home for you as well, because you know you're an entrepreneur and you're on your boss. You're your own boss, I mean. And the Would You Rather is: would you rather work for a boss you hate but make good money, or work for a boss that you love but make minimum wage? Chew on that. Don't answer me yet. Just chew on that. Chew on that real quick. I'm going to play this song. Anybody wants to join in, whoever's out there right now in Radio Land, 972-501-9390. The question is, would you rather work for a boss you hate but make good money, or work for a boss that you love but make minimum wage? We're going to play a song from the movie Street Dancer 3D called Garmy. By the way, I know you're at home right now, so at your office, check out the music video for this song. You're going to thank me later, brother. This is crazy. It's called Garmy from Street Dancer 3D. Let me know what you think. We'll be back. Cheers. If you haven't seen the music video for Garmy from the movie Street Dancer 3D, you are missing out. It is one insane choreography. Let's just say that word, choreography.
सर्दी में भी कर दी है
that was from Street Dancer 3D, man, third edition to that whole lineup of movies from the Street Dancer franchise. It's going down here in Radio Azad Studios with your host Anil Sohani, and got a special guest in the virtual studio, the satellite studio out in Sugar Land, Texas, Mr. Adil Mackwani, aka Mac from M&A Wealth. What's going on, brother? All right, so did you think about that? Would you rather, by the way? Did you think about it? Is it in your mind? Did you figure it out? What you want to do? Would you rather work for a boss you hate but make good money, or work for a boss that you love and make minimum wage?
Since I'm not the boss in either situation, I won't take the money.
You would take the money?
Since I'm not the boss, so I mean, it's just I know I would just me, my personality. I would always want to be the boss of my business. So I would be working to get where I want to go, and then I'd use that as a jumping point to where I want to be.
Ah, okay. So you work for the boss you hate if you had to in the situation, and just make the money and walk away at a certain point, or I'm assuming?
Yeah, exactly. Just walk away at a certain point and go do what I want to do. I mean, that's what when you work for somebody, that's what it is. It's you're working so that eventually, that's where, if you think about it, a pension was actually created for that, was to make sure that your employees work for you for X amount of years, and then after they're done working for you, you pay them for the rest of their life.
Man, I don't
So you
make
work
those
for them
anymore.
for 20 years or something like that, or 30 years, and then you get paid, and you're able to go do what you want to do with that.
Okay, that's interesting. That's something I don't think they make those anymore, right? Am I right to assume that?
They do. Some companies do offer pensions still. It just depends. It's just that it's not lucrative for the company instead, because it takes a lot of responsibility on the company. And with people living longer and longer, they have to pay more and more. Now they offer 401ks to people, or 403bs, because now the responsibility is on you. That we will match you an X amount of money, but the responsibility is on you to grow that money.
Wow. Okay. All right. This is interesting. Let's tackle more about the 403bs when we come back from this break. Because I've never heard of it until now, bro. This is something new.
It's a 401k. It's just for state employees.
Okay. All right. Let's dive into more 401k and 403b. And we might just play some more Would You Rather. I don't know what you thought about that, but let's have some fun on the next and final sub-segment of this episode of Financial Literacy, Episode 2 on Millennium Assault. Radio Azad. We'll be back after the short break. You give us a call when you hear our voice. 972-501-9390 is the number to the studio. Stay tuned, yo.
Are you looking for a job or looking to enhance your skill set in IT? Then remember only one name in the business, A-List Technology Group. They are hiring new graduate students with associate and bachelor degrees in computer science. This placement is for green card holders and U.S. citizens only. They also provide training and placement, particularly in QA training, BA training, .NET and Java, Big Data and Data Analysis, AWS, DevOps, and SysOps. For more information, please contact Amin at 214-288-7409 or email alisttech@gmail.com.
Good pizza is the most important thing. More than success, more than money, more than power. Godfather's Pizza serves Zabia Halal, Italian-style specialty pizza, wings, pasta, salads, desserts, and more. Always fresh with the best ingredients. Come on in. We don't care if you discuss business at the table. Try Godfather's Pizza today at 1606 FM 423, Suite 400, Frisco. And check out the Godfather's Pizza Frisco page on Facebook. Call them at 214-436-4555, and they'll make you an offer you can't refuse.
Whether you're looking for auto insurance, home insurance, business insurance, including gas stations, convenience stores, hotels, motels, restaurants, cafes, professional liability and umbrella, let us at Radio Azad make it very convenient for you by giving you one trusted name in the business, Hawke's Bay Insurance Group.
Hawke's Bay Insurance Group offers bundle discounts as well, where you can save big.
Hawke's Bay Insurance Group is located in Irving, Texas. Visit them at hbinsurancegroup.com or call 972-332-0549.
एक बात बताइए, हम लोग जब कोई प्रोडक्ट या सर्विस खरीदते हैं तो क्या चीजें देखते हैं? यही ना कि क्वालिटी बेहतरीन होनी चाहिए, लेकिन चीज सस्ती भी मिल जाए। यूजर के रिव्यूज सिर्फ अच्छे नहीं, बहुत अच्छे होने चाहिए। अगर पैकेज कस्टमाइज मिल जाए तो और भी आसानी। और अगर ये सब मिल भी जाए तो फिर भी अगर डिस्काउंट मिल जाता तो क्या ही बात। अब एक और बात बताइए, ये सब क्वालिटीज तो है ना माई क्वेस्ट एनर्जी, तो क्या अब आप अपनी बिजली बदलने के लिए आसमानी बिजली गिरने का इंतजार कर रहे हैं? यकीन कीजिए, पहली दफा बिजली का बिल देख के खुश हो जाएंगे आप। ट्राई करके देखिए। माई क्वेस्ट एनर्जी 9723583204।
Sign up today and receive up to $50 back if you mention Radio Azad. Visit myquestenergy.com. Subject to approved credit. Some restrictions apply. PUCT license number 10236.
Do you want to eat better, exercise, incorporate yoga and meditation, and lead a more healthy lifestyle in every way?
Rosina Dasani is a health coach who understands the emotional, physical, behavioral, nutritional, and lifestyle factors that are needed to improve your overall health and well-being. Rosina is offering a special for Radio Azad listeners. Sign up for her 6-week session, which is done online via Zoom, and get a free session of Reiki. These sessions are very affordable, and you can do them in the comfort of your own home.
For more information, please call Rosina Dosani at 682-429-9791 or email at rosedoss@aol.com.
Get a blockbuster spring deal during the Ready Set Go event at Freeman Toyota. Get new 2020 Camrys and RAV4s for just $299 a month, and get new 2020 Corollas for just $239 a month, and save on their best SUVs and drive a new 2020 4Runner for just $399 a month. Plus, you can buy with no money down for a limited time. Don't wait. Hurry and call Internet Sales Manager Mohammed Ahmed today at Freeman Toyota, 817-287-5411. That's 817-287-5411.
Yeah, that was Outlaw, the 21st century version, I guess, from the Street Dancer 3D, dope album. A lot of hits and remix and choreography is insane. All the music videos are dope as can be. And we got a special guest, of course, on the line, Mr. Adil Mackwani, aka Mac, and he's from M&A Wealth. Definitely make sure you guys reach out to him, M-A-N-D-A Wealth on Instagram. And of course, yeah, what's going on, brother?
Not much, man, not much. Just talking about some financial literacy, hopefully not boring too many people.
Nah, I mean, I'm telling you, it's just a tough time spot. Like, usually this is the crazier time slot that's a lot more calm, cool, and collected. People are with their families trying to figure this whole pandemic thing out. And I'm sure if they missed the show today live, it's not to worry because all of the RJ shows here in Radio Azad are uploaded as podcasts on Mixcloud. So definitely check that out. I'll send you the link and you can send it to your colleagues as well, and we can go from there as well. So let's see, the topics we're discussing right before that song and crazy. Yeah, tax deferred accounts, traditional IRAs, SEP IRA, as well as 401k, 403b, and stuff like that. So love to hear more about what we haven't covered yet in those sections, if you could, brother.
Definitely. So these are retirement accounts. So these are not insurance products. Before we were talking about insurance for whole life and term life, and those are the insurance aspect of financial planning. And now we're going to start dealing a lot more with the investment side and different investment vehicles and strategies on that side that we can use.
Okay.
With clients, the main vehicles on the tax deferred side, and we'll just touch a little bit base. I think we'll save a lot of the meat of it for the next chat, because there's a lot of different vehicles. But with using tax deferred vehicles, what you were pretty much saying is that I will not pay taxes on this money today. I will invest it in the market, or I'll invest it in one of these vehicles, and for that, I will get a tax break depending on what your income is. Sometimes there's a deduction, sometimes there's not, but you'll get a tax break. And that money will grow for X amount. You can invest in stocks, you can invest it in different businesses, and when that money grows, at that point in time, you'll pull out the money and then pay taxes altogether.
Oh, okay, so one-stop shop, like one shot, one kill in the end of it after you pull it out.
Pretty much, yeah. And I mean, just as much as you're pulling out. So you pull it out based on your income, and these are one of the buckets that you want to set up as well. You want to have, because the thing is, there are two things certain in life. You have the taxes, but you don't know when you're going to die, and you don't know what taxes are going to be throughout your life.
Okay.
So you want to make sure that you have buckets available in case the tax bracket is higher or lower. So if it's lower than what you're currently paying, then you want to pull out from this type of money, from this bucket, and be able to make sure that you take that tax advantage of that one.
Makes sense. Okay, that sounds like a safe bet. That doesn't seem like too difficult to navigate, I think, right?
And it's not. So there's the IRA, and if you break down the words and what they are, it's very simple. The IRA is an individual retirement account. The individual retirement account is for you. The max contribution for an individual that I believe is under the age of 50 or 55, they're up to like $6,000 a year and contribute $6,000 a year into that. And a lot of people, let's say that if they are contributing into that, they will get a tax deduction if they're not making over $100,000 or $90,000, I believe, or somewhere in that. You would want to ask a CPA exactly. You'll know their exact number for that. But if they do contribute to a traditional IRA, most of them will get a deduction, and they will also maybe get a tax deferred in their income as well.
Okay, that's
so
nice.
They pay less on taxes up front.
There you go. It's not really double dipping, but that's like the opposite of what I'm saying.
Yeah, you
It's
get a tax break up front right now for your vehicles. You don't have to pay taxes today. And that's what you want to realize is that, hey, do you think you're going to make more money today or more money in the future?
So if you're thinking more money in the future, then might as well pay taxes today?
Pay taxes today, and there's vehicles available for retirement for that, which is the Roth IRA. And you want to make these contributions because you're only allowed to make the contribution for the tax year is done. So you can make your 2019 contribution until you file your taxes. After you're done filing your taxes, you can't go back and make that contribution.
Makes sense.
So it's very important to make sure that you do have the money saved. You can go open that account and make sure that you contribute. And then inside there, your advisor that will be he will be able to to guide you and based on your risk tolerance, see what are the suitable investment assets for you.
Okay, so always keep your advisor in mind when you're looking into everything. Of course, that has to do with your financial planning and all that. That makes sense.
Yeah, it's just an advisor is going to be his outlook. Like he's just going to make sure that he's looking at your. Like even us advisors have advisors that help us out. Not like you can't because I can't look at a financial plan that's not mine and not be biased. Is that understandable? You kind of have to look at it with an unbiased view. And having a financial planning person that looks at your situation is going to tell you with an unbiased lens.
It's like having a fresh pair, like a second, fresh pair of eyes on it, a second opinion. Yeah, definitely. Just like therapists, like by the way, I started watching Sopranos recently again, right? And so the therapist in that, I learned something, and I also learned from a fellow, I guess, a listener of the show in Edmonton. She calls in and randomly messages. Her name is Tanya from Edmonton. And we grew up together in Sugar Land, and she's a therapist now. And she was telling me on the air, I think a month or two ago, when we talked about mindfulness and just kind of like the whole mental health thing. That even therapists see therapists because they have like so much that they take in from their clients that they need to unload somewhere as well. So just like that, I kind of understand the same thing when it comes to these financial advisors, like you such as yourself. You guys see so many numbers, you guys see so much from your clients that you think you know 100% of everything, but reality is you're also human, and sometimes it's not a bad idea to get a second pair of fresh eyes on that.
It's not, and that's why I said I'm not a genius in finance. I'm just a student of it. Like I'm always learning, and you ask me something today, and I'll tell you something new that I learned tomorrow in that aspect. Like it's a constant learning. I don't think it's ever going to end because even the experts that are way better than me that have been doing this for years and years and years that are probably almost 80, 90 years old now in this field, learning every day. So there's no way that I could have learned all that information that quick.
Yeah, no, I get that. That makes sense. It's good. You got to be a student of life. That's how I feel like I am as well. So on the shows when we have co-hosts or guests or anything like that, I try my best to learn as much as I can from that person that came in and devoted their time to the show and stuff, because time is a really valuable thing, an asset to have. And I don't think anybody wants to give it away lightly. So yeah, I try to take it as much and realize you got to be a student of life, whether it's your industry or not. So like me, man, I don't have any financial background, and having you on the show, this is the second show we're doing, and it's going to be a continuous show. Once a month or so on average, we'll do the whole your whole book, inshallah. And
let's do all those topics, and I think there'll be a lot of good information that is at least your eyes are open to. It's not like you can take it and soak everything in, but at least now you know that there is something out there, and you can do your research or call people, or even call me, and we will be able to guide you in that light, or at least you know that you don't know until you know, right?
True. This is true. Yeah.
And on those retirement accounts, let's go back on that. So we have those IRAs, which we were talking about your individual. And the 401ks, all of these are all tax codes. So the 401k is a tax code. And the 401k is an employer-sponsored plan. So it's not an individual plan. It's sponsored by your employer.
When they match your investment into that.
Correct. And you take that match and you grow it, and you can defer some of your money into that account as well.
Okay. Yeah.
So all of these vehicles are for you to invest over time, and then grow that money. And while you're with the employer, you usually can move that money. You can have an advisor advise you on that money that is in those accounts as well to make sure that you're in the right vehicle for your risk tolerance. So those vehicles are set up for you to save, and then at age 59 and a half, you're able to pull out that money.
Okay, interesting. This is interesting. Let's just say this is a would you rather. I'm throwing it in there just to kind of see how you're thinking right now. Let's just say you're ready to retire, right? Would you rather retire? It's really the question is about vacationing, but I'm going to say retire because we're talking about retirement. Would you rather retire in the mountains or retire near the beach? Take that and chew that up. Would you rather retire near the mountains or retire near the beach? We're going to play a quick song, let you chew on that and get all the flavor out of there, chew it up. And we'll be back on, it's something to think about, right? We're gonna play a song from the. I want the answer as soon as we get done with the song. What do you say?
Yeah, just I can't give you two answers, though, right?
Yeah, you can. You can, as long as you have good, like, actual breakdown. You gotta give me a reasoning. Yeah. We're gonna play some music from the movie Love Ajkal that came out in February around Valentine's Day. This is called Ha Mein Galat with a twist in the middle. So hopefully you like that twist. We'll be back, y'all. Stay tuned.
हाँ मैं गलत मेरी बातें गलती से ही दुनिया बनी पूरा सही कोई नहीं है ले ले मेरी चेतावनी दिल में जो आए आज हो जाए दिल में जो आए आज हो जाए आज तेज लगा है बड़ी जगह है do it with a twist गलत हो जा तू ही आजा करे गलती नहीं डर के सही हुआ कहाँ कोई डरते रहे पहले कई आसमां टूटे ये जहां रूठे आसमां टूटे ये जहां रूठे आस्तेज लगा है बड़ी जगह है do it with a twist ओ मेरा अपना कैरेक्टर तेरी अपनी अदा टूटेंगे बिखरेंगे बहकेंगे संभलेंगे दोनों दिल के इस मामले में ना अकल को लगा अकलों में उलझेंगे तो फिसलेंगे दोनों ओ मेरा अपना कैरेक्टर तेरी अपनी अदा टूटेंगे बिखरेंगे बहकेंगे संभलेंगे दोनों दिल के इस मामले में ना अकल को लगा अकलों में उलझेंगे तो फिसलेंगे दोनों दिल में जो आए आज हो जाए दिल में जो आए आज हो जाए और तेज लगा है बड़ी जगह है do that twist
Yeah, we are back to Radio Azad's Millennium Masala. Last few minutes of the show. Man, this went by real fast with Adil Mackwani, aka Mac from M&A Wealth. It's going down. And we're talking a little bit about tax deferred accounts, I guess the tax, what was it, tax codes, IRA and everything, 401k, all those things.
Yeah, it's just explaining a little bit between individual retirement accounts versus your employer retirement accounts and how you can contribute to both. So your maximum that you can contribute to your traditional IRA for 2019 or 2020 is going to be $6,000. And if you're above a certain age, then it's a little bit more than that. And then for 401ks, the most you're allowed to contribute is $19,000.
Okay.
And if you're older than 55 and you're able, or 50, then you're able to contribute a little bit more than that as well.
Nice.
So you want to max out those as much as possible if you do have savings, because they're great vehicles for you to invest in the markets. And at these prices in the stock market, you would be more advantageous than as investing almost 2 months ago. You would have been investing at an all-time high. So when things are a little lower and contributing to those accounts, it could be a good investment vehicle for you and for your growth.
There you go. That's what's up. And where's like a website that they can kind of check out? I know you, is it
You can just go on my website, and you can open up an IRA, you can sign the client agreement, you can also, there's a lot of information inside our blog. If you go under resources, it's all inside over there, and you can access many blogs that talk about rolling over your 401k or contributions to your IRA as the advantages of doing a Roth IRA or a traditional IRA. Just different, a lot of resources are on there.
And that's mandawealth.com. So that's mandawealth.com, which stands for M&A Wealth.com. Not short for Amanda, right? Just making sure.
No, yeah. No, it's just Manda. It was a coincidence, and they don't let you do an ampersand sign inside URL.
Yeah.
So that's why we went with MANDA, or I went with MANDAwealth.com. And it ended up actually working out because a lot of people, when you're on emails and calls, it's more convenient for them to just say Manda Wealth.
There you go. So mandawealth.com, and their Instagram is MAA Wealth. So Ma with 2 A's, Wealth.
Yeah.
On Instagram.
Correct. On Instagram and on Facebook, you can reach us out. We do Mackwani Mondays on both of them, and we have blogs. We usually post them on Facebook as well.
That's awesome, man. That's what's up. I love it, by the way. Every Monday, I look forward to it. I like to share it whenever I can on the Millennium Masala website, the Facebook page.
Man. I appreciate you sharing it, and I appreciate that. It's all about supporting your community, man. Small businesses helping each other out, because, you know, I mean, when you work with your community, that's who you support. At the end of the day, when we elect people, we're going to see the people that are around us the most. We're not going to go see the president every day. We're going to trust that they make decisions based on their credibility and that their willingness to do the job. But it's the people that are local support our businesses and our people that are actually there for us in our community that help the most.
That's what's up, man. That's real talk right there. That's right. It's real talk. Yeah, that was the plug part of that. And actually, we had a would you rather that we threw up in the air before.
Yeah, lake or ocean or mountain.
Yeah. Before I ask you to give me the answer, let me give a shout out to our lovely partner over at Rosina Health, Rosina Dosani, the health coach. Do you want to eat better, exercise, incorporate yoga and meditation, and lead a more healthy lifestyle in every way? Rosina Dosani is on your side, and it's just a phone call away. Rosina is a health coach who understands the emotional, physical, behavioral, nutritional, and lifestyle factors that are needed to improve your overall health and well-being. For more information and request more information on Rosina hair and skincare products as well. So you got a lot of things going on. 682-429-9791 or email at rosedoss@aol.com. So that's rosedoss@aol.com. Definitely reach out. Let her know that Radio Azad sent you. Should be fun. All right, so back to that. Would you rather retire near the mountains or near the beach? Let's go.
Probably being near the beach, man. I'm so used to living on near water. I think it's a lot more relaxing for me. But I do like the mountain. It's so scenic in those areas. So it's a hard call, but I would probably have to pick the ocean. I think just hearing the sound of the waves would just be calming in itself.
Okay. Yeah. Interesting. I'm same.
What about yourself?
Same, brother, same. I'm a beach bum, man. Like, you can't get me off the beach when you get me on there, man. For real. I love the beach. I haven't been to Galveston in a while. That's in Texas, like a Houston beach.
That's not a beach.
I know it's not a beach. I know it's not. It's you know what I call it. You know what I call it. So back in the day, I remember when the Infiniti G35 came out, way back in the day, in 2003. People revered that car, a beast of a car, wonderful car. They revered that car as the poor man's Porsche. Do you get?
It was a nice car,
Yeah, but it was considered the poor man's Porsche. If you couldn't afford a Porsche, get yourself a G35. It was like half the cost, right? So to me, just to me, I don't know anybody else who would probably agree with me, but if you've been to South Padre Island in South Texas by the border of Mexico and Texas, now that's a beach. That's a Texas beach. I'm proud to say. I look at Galveston as the poor man's Padre for Texas. We're talking about Texas. Now I'm not talking about like Santa Monica or any other beaches on the East Coast, West Coast.
It's a lot of, it's more businessy in Galveston, I would say.
Yeah.
But they have so much potential. It's so fun. Regardless, even if the beach is not the greatest thing, it's still like, and I think it's just because we don't have white sand.
Yeah.
The white sand really does make all the difference.
And blue water, not brown water, because we're in the Gulf of Mexico here, right? But Padre, dude, it is. I'm telling you, it's worth the drive from Houston. I think it's like 5 hours south or something, but still, I went there once. It was one of the best experiences of my entire existence, man. Like, it was so much fun. Yeah, I'll probably live by the beach myself. I wouldn't mind, hiking around mountains, but living wise or retirement wise, beach. Forget about everything else.
Yeah, I think that's true, man. I'm in the same boat there. Maybe we'll get a boat on the beach.
Yeah, that's my. It sounds funny. I don't know how to swim. I swear to you, I don't know how to swim. But my goal in life is to at least have a boat or two. You know, and that's one of my long term, I guess, to-do lists.
Life jacket, you're good, man.
This is true. Give me a life jacket. That's what's up. But man, yeah, that's inshallah, right? That's future planning right there. And in order to do that, you need to.
It's not about the money. It's about what you want to do and what you want to achieve. And if that's the case, the money is gonna. How much a house costs today versus what it costs 20 years from now is going to be a lot different. So
True.
It's not about the money. It's just about what you want to do in your life. And I think that's maybe we all have this time off during this pandemic or what we have going on. We should maybe take that into consideration. I mean, being around family, you can ask and you can really put some pen to paper and come up with some really good thoughts about it. How do you see yourself and what do you want to do in your ideal life?
Yeah, this is the time to kind of do some soul searching, huh?
Definitely. I mean, it's better than cleaning your closet.
Yeah, this is true. Hey, there's nothing wrong with cleaning the closet as well. I think in the previous show, right before this one, the 6 to 8 p.m. one we did, so basically the to-do list presented by USA Today, do while you're in quarantine. And a lot of them really had to do with exactly that, taking a look at your everything from your financials to what's happening in your room, the clutter, declutter everything, clear your mind, and even with your financials, talk to your advisor if you don't have one or don't have a planner. Reach out to Adil Mackwani off of M&A Wealth, and definitely make some things happen.
It's always good to advise your plan. Check up on your plan. I would say at least in the beginning, you're probably going to want to check up maybe the first year every 6 months, every 9 months to a year.
Okay.
And then after that, almost every year and a half, you should just at least make sure your investment vehicles are still operating correctly. And you want to make sure your insurance that you check up on that every couple of years, because a lot of people buy it and they don't look at it and they don't know how to read it. So if you don't know how to read it, you can call us. We'll help you read it and understand what you actually bought, and make sure that is what you had signed up for in the first place. So it's a good time to check up on all of that and make sure that you're on top of your finances, because unless you have an advisor that's making sure that everything is going well and he's reaching out to you every couple months or every 6 months, then he's obviously updating you. But if you don't have that, then it's probably you need to do some diligence yourself and make sure that you know what you have.
That's what's up. It's he or she. These days, it's everybody. No, that's it.
Yes. And usually women are actually the ones that do make the financial decisions than men. If their wife says yes, then
Oh, man, we got a lot to learn, huh, don't we? We're not married, so I think this is, you already know that.
Living with my parents, it's usually my dad ends up looking towards my mom, and if that head nod is there, it's good to go.
It kind of reminds me of 300. Remember with, I forgot the actor's name, but before going to war, yelling out, "This is Sparta," he had to look to his wife.
He looks over to the side.
And then she's like, "Sure." And he's like, "Let's go, guys." It's crazy. But awesome. And thanks again, man. Thanks a million for taking the time out to do this. I know you're, trying to stay chill in your home vicinity and everything. I'm glad you're able to still make it virtually on this show to be able to do episode 2 of financial literacy. And let's see, episode 3, I think we'll talk more in detail about that in the near future. And
We'll talk more about the tax deferred accounts. And I always enjoy this. I think it's great that I can actually share what I've learned with the community and help them, because most of us are first generation here, and we work really hard. We just need to make sure that our money works smart for us.
There you go. That's what's up. All right. Anything else you want to say to the listeners out there? And
just stay safe, shop local, and try to stay happy. Just smile. Wake up in the morning, first thing you should do is look in the mirror and smile. Life is not going to be perfect. You're going to have its ups and downs, but enjoy the movie.
There you go. Enjoy the movie. There you go. That's what's up. And I guess make sure you do follow us at Radio Azad, at M&A Wealth, as well as at the Anil Sohani, at Millennium Masala. What else? And yeah, let's sign off for the day. And thank you all so much for joining us on the Radio Azad app. Download it, tap it for free. And if you missed this show and missed any other shows, download the Mixcloud app as well, and we'll be able to catch up on our shows from there as well. So thank you all so much for joining us. Thanks Adil Mackwani for calling in, and to everybody else out there, for sure. Everybody else out there, Allah Hafiz, Namaskar, Sastrikal, Yali Malad, Au revoir, Ciao, Obrigado, which means thank you in Portuguese. And we'll catch you next time on Millennium Masala. Cheers, Joe.
Good night, yo.
See ya.
You're listening to Radio Azad, KZMP, Pilot Point, 104.9 FM, HD3, and KBTT, 1110 AM, Mineral Wells, Dallas-Fort Worth.
Where can you eat the world's best chicken that is cooked to succulent perfection on a flame grill and basted with secret peri-peri sauce?
Thank y'all so much for joining us today. We could have been anywhere in the world, but you're here with us, and we appreciate that. And follow M&A Wealth, so MAAWEALTH, and you should find a link to the free book right below this Facebook Live. And reach out to Adil Mackwani. He'll hook you up. He'll let you know exactly what to do. And it should be a good time. On the next episode of Millennium Masala with Adil will be probably about a month from now. So get your financial questions ready, people. Get your financial questions ready. And we'll be able to tackle them together. Take care, Allah Hafiz, and love y'all. Peace out.